How to create a new drive from C drive in Windows 11 and restore it to its previous state. Want to create a new drive by reducing the space of C drive on your laptop or PC? Again, if you feel like returning the space of the new drive to C drive after the work is done, then that is also possible. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new drive by taking space from C drive using Windows 11's disk management, and then delete that drive and return the space to C drive. Let's start the whole process step by step. First, create a new drive by taking space from C drive. Press Windows plus X. Here, first click on our disk management. After waiting for a while, the disk management window will open. After disk management opens, you can see the different drives of your computer and their storage here. Now we will create a new drive by reducing some space from local disk C. For this, right-click on C drive and click on the Shrink Volume option. Now Windows will check the available space of your drive for a while. When the process is complete, a new window will appear. Here you will see, enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. In this box, you have to enter the amount of space you want to separate from C drive in megabytes. For example, if you want to separate about 25 gigabytes of space, then you can enter 25,088 megabytes here. However, if it is more than size of available shrink space in megabytes, do not take it. Then click on the Shrink button. After a while, you will see that a new unallocated space has been created next to C drive. We will now use this unallocated space as the new drive. Creating a new drive. Now we have to create a new drive from this unallocated space. For this, right-click on Unallocated Space. Then click on the New Simple Volume option. Now the New Simple Volume wizard will start. Click Next here.
In the next step, you will be asked to select the size of the volume. Then you have to select a letter for the drive. For example, E: or any other available letter of your choice. After selecting the drive letter, click Next. Now the Format option will appear. Here, select NTFS as the file system, then click Next and finally Finish. After a while, the formatting will be completed. Now if you open this PC, you will see that we have created a new drive. For example, here a new drive named New Volume, E: is visible. That is, we have successfully created a new drive by taking space from the C drive. Now suppose, after a few days, you no longer want to keep this new drive. So how do you get its space back to the C drive? Let's see that too. First press Windows plus X again. Here first click on our disk management. Here find the new volume or E drive that we created. Right-click on it. Now click on the Delete Volume option. Remember one important thing here. Deleting a volume can delete the data inside that drive, so if there are any necessary files in the drive, be sure to back them up to another place first. If there are no necessary files in the drive, then select Yes according to the instructions after the Delete Volume warning appears. After a while, you will see that E drive is no more. Unallocated space has been created in its place. Now our last task is to add this unallocated space to the C drive. Extend C drive to reclaim space. Now right-click on Local Disk. C. From here, click on Extend Volume option. Now Extend Volume wizard will open. Click Next here. In the next step, unallocated space will be visible. Click Next again while unallocated space is selected. Finally, click Finish. Windows has now added unallocated space to C drive. The space that we had previously created separately and created a new drive has been added to C drive again. However, remember, before deleting any drive, you must take a backup of the necessary files. If the video is useful to you, then you can give a like and stay by subscribing to the channel to get more such easy computer and Windows tutorials. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video.